All right, everyone, welcome back. Looking at metal really quick here. So metal is currently trying to get over this 120 level here at the top. So you are at 123, and there's over 3 hours left on this candle here. So what you want to watch for is a break over this 120, 121 level. You want to hold this as support, and then we'll have a shot at these higher prices here at 149 and 167. You can see it already did wick up to about $1.60. So from where we are right now, if you close on that candle above 120, you'll have a shot at 149 for about a 22% move, and then 167 up here for a 36% move. And then up here at the top at the 1618, that's about a 60% move to this 195. I would say 195 to $2, a break over that, and then metal's going to the moon. So that's your moon line up here, if you want to call it that. But as of now, this giant green wick here is not ideal. Usually when you have a giant green wick like that, it tends to just fall off the table. So that's very bearish there. So hopefully you can get bought up a little bit more and hold this as support and start moving to these higher price targets. Like I've said in other updates, it's all going to depend on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin decides it's going to start mooning, then a lot of these coins will start taking off. If Bitcoin decides it's going to take a dump, then everything's going to top out and come back down. And if Bitcoin remains sideways and just where it is now, a lot of these things, depending on what project it is, they're either going to go sideways and just kind of just sit there, or they're going to grind a little bit higher, depending on the project and the community and the hype in it. You know what I mean? So it all depends on a bunch of different factors. But everything here, all the information we're getting from the chart here, all the indicators are saying this thing has the push to move higher. The MACD's curled up here, the RSI, everything's above the 0, the 50, everything looks good. The moving averages are holding us as support. We're above the 200, so we're officially at least short-term bullish here. Icanashi candles are printing deep green, so it's got a strong trend to the upside. It's got the gas, the push, the momentum to push higher, according to the information we're getting. So just watch 120 for a move to these prices to the upside. If you end up losing 120 and getting rejected, and this is your top here, your next stop and your next support pretty much is the 786 down here at 1. So about $1 should hold for support. You can see you also have the 200-day moving average here. You also have the 21 EMA. So there's a lot of support being had here if this thing does come back down. So you may come down here and do something like this and then blast out of here, or you may come down here and do something like this, lose that 786, get rejected at $1, and then just kind of fall off the table. Like I said, it's all going to depend on what Bitcoin does and the rest of the market does. So there's a whole bunch of different scenarios that could happen. All we can do here is kind of point out what the chart's telling us and the price levels to watch. So just watch all these prices here, and we'll see how it plays out. So with that said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.